Wow, it looks very nice and beautiful over there. But first, you should know how to prepare your diving equipment. In this video, I will show you how to do this. First of all, wet the strap of the BCD. Position your BCD onto the tank. Place it over the tank and then lower it down. Make sure the opening of the tank's valves is pointing the BCD. Now we have to attach the BCD to the tank. Pull the BCD tank strap very tight. The next step is to position your regulator onto the tank. Make sure the regulator hoses are positioned to the right and the BCD whip is positioned to the left. Now, fix the regulator to the tank. The next step is to connect the regulator whip to the BCD. And finally, just open the tank. Just make sure if air comes from your main regulator and octopus. And press the BCD and flatter button and make sure it works. You are now ready to explore the ocean.